Hello students, now we are on the last topic of this chapter to show that heat is generated during respiration. We have one experiment, look at the diagram, and in this experiment we have two inverted flasks, and in this inverted flask, in one of the flasks, that is in flask A, there is a germinating seed. In flask B we have a boiled seed. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that during germination or during respiration, plant release energy. Now in flask A and flask B, what we will do, we will put a one thermometer with some cotton plug to prevent any entry of heat from outside or any release of heat from the flask. Now the very first question is, why we have a inverted flask? Why we are not having a vertical in position? The reason is, if we are having in a vertical position, then all the seed will not in contact with the thermometer, and when we are having in a inverted position, all the seeds in the contact with the thermometer, so we can have a better observation. Now what will be our observation? We will see that in flask A the thermometer temperature will raise, while in flask B there is no raise in the temperature of thermometer in flask B. Now what is the reason behind it? In flask A we have taken germinating seed. Germinating seed will do respiration. After respiration they will produce energy, and because of that energy the temperature will raise, little bit temperature will raise in case of germinating seed or in case of flask A. While in flask B we have taken boiled seed. Boiled seed cannot do respiration because on boiling the cell cytoplasm is destroyed, cell nature is destroyed, so they are not able to do respiration, they will not produce any kind of energy. Now what care you need to take during this experiment, that the entire system should be airtight, because if any energy, any temperature, any kind of gas is going inside or coming outside, then it can create a problem. So we have discussed almost all experiments. We have discussed entire portion of theory also. I discussed in the last video, and I am telling you again that all these experiments are important for the practical and for the theoretical examination. Reason, now in a practical we are not going to conduct all these experiments, but the practical based question could be asked during practical as well as in examination. In theoretical examination, most of the time you got one of the question on the plant respiration experiment, and it is generally a 5 marks question. So please prepare all these questions very carefully. Still, if you have doubt, you are most welcome. Till then, take care. Goodbye.